Welcome back to our chapter-by-chapter summary of the power of your subconscious mind. Today, we're diving into Chapter 18, How to Develop Mental Strength. In this chapter, Dr. Murphy explains how to build the mental strength necessary to overcome challenges and achieve your goals. Dr. Murphy emphasizes that mental strength is not about brute force or stubbornness. It's about cultivating a calm, focused, and resilient mind that can handle any difficulty with grace. To develop mental strength, Dr. Murphy recommends using the power of positive thinking. He suggests affirmations such as, "I am mentally strong, resilient, and capable of overcoming any challenge." By repeating this affirmation, you'll begin to see yourself as someone who can face challenges head-on with confidence and determination. Visualization is also key to strengthening your mind. Imagine yourself facing difficult situations and handling them with ease and composure. See yourself succeeding and feel the pride and strength that comes with overcoming obstacles. Another technique Dr. Murphy shares is to practice patience. Mental strength is not about rushing or forcing outcomes. It's about trusting the process and allowing things to unfold naturally without anxiety or fear. The key takeaway: mental strength comes from within. By focusing on positive thoughts, affirmations, and visualization, you can cultivate a powerful mind that helps you face life's challenges with confidence and resilience. That wraps up Chapter 18. In the next chapter, we'll dive into how to use your subconscious mind for healing and achieve physical health and wellness. Like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next empowering chapter.